Hi, welcome once again to our accounting software YouTube channel. I am Williams. I happen to be the lead visionary of this very, organization. And what we do is a simple one. At Miramar Consulting, we help businesses as well as individuals develop and execute winning strategies. And one of the way we do this is through our accounting software training and business analysis initiative. So for today, we'll be looking at this very key aspect, which has to do with accounting software for Nigerian companies. And part of our content here, we'll be looking at some introduction and looking at the need, how you can be able to choose. I will also be sharing with you 3 things that you must consider, and also some commonly used applications here in Nigeria. So for those who are not in Nigeria, I am using Nigeria as our geographical location, most especially as far as this very training is concerned. And to also make it look more interesting, we will be exploring 2 of these notable applications where we will be comparing between QuickBooks and Sage. The reason for this is because most of the time, clients always request to know which is more, effective or better than the other. So please stay in tune as we flow together. So still on accounting software for Nigerian companies. Let me start by saying that an accounting software majorly looks into the aspect of business accounting. And business accounting, as a term, involves a wide range of activities which is necessary in order to capture a business entire financial picture. Truth remains, as business grows, they keep expanding and their workflow also keep expanding, making it to have a more complex structure and time consuming. As a result of this, processing such business information manually will lead to more errors. And as a result, accounting software has come to simplify the processes, giving business owners like you and I more time to focus on other administration and execution of strategies. There are many different types of accounting software available to small to medium-sized companies in Nigeria and other countries. They all are equipped with varying capabilities. They have different features, generally the type of business, number of users, the features the software has, pricing aspect, of the costs are majorly factors that can help you to determine the accounting software that is appropriately suited irrespective of the type of business. I believe you're following. Now, most times people ask, why do we need an accounting software? This is a simple one to clarify that very issue. Business owners can easily access their books, create financial reports like the statements of financial position and also that of profit or loss. And with an accounting software, you can be able to create financial reports like the cash flow, statement of cash flow. You can also review profitability. You can compare revenue and expenses. You can check bank and loan balances. You can manage payable. And receivable, you can control inventory management. You can anticipate tax liabilities with the help of accounting application. And not only this, business managers are empowered to make critical business decisions when they have quick access to financial data. And accounting software so gives them, making this available for them, for them to be able to manage their workflow. How to choose accounting software for your business? How do you choose? How do you know? Now, let me start by saying that you may find it difficult to find and choose the best accounting software for your company. And according to a good visionaire, who says that businesses may choose software more easily by using the best criteria, which has to do with a combination of technology and accounting. Before making recommendations, whenever you want to choose which application is best for your business, it's good to research and evaluate the pricing, look into the features, availability, usability, the brand recognition, as well as other features or models which the accounting software providers, where you want to get it from the brand, to ensure that all these are in place. I'll be sharing with you some of the commonly used accounting softwares in Nigeria and also in other countries. We have the likes of QuickBooks, we have Sage, we have Tally, we believe we have ZoBooks, we have FreshBooks, we have Zero, we have Busy, we have Manager IO, we have SAP, and many others. But in the case of this very training exposition, we'll be looking at two popular applications here in Nigeria. And by that, I'm referring to the likes of QuickBooks and Sage. So permit me to caption this: QuickBooks versus Sage. Now, what is QuickBooks all about? Since the turn of the new century, QuickBooks has been the industry standard when you want to keep and organize financial records for businesses. QuickBooks has long dominated the financial management software sector. The program is frequently utilized by businesses in every imaginable field. An extremely generic application with respectable features for professional and business service firms. Business service firms, and is trusted as it's available in various editions for various industry sectors, including manufacturing companies, construction companies, institutions, religious organizations, non-profit organizations, consulting firms, professional service firms, retail businesses, agro businesses, governmental institutions, and so on and so forth. In addition, I used to refer to it as one of the greatest accounting software, most especially when it comes to the preparation and presenting of business financial information, both online and desktop versions of QuickBooks are widely used by small business accounting experts. The reason for this is due to the availability of helpful online tools and forums from the QuickBooks software providers. This is more reason why it's top notch. Now, the primary QuickBooks dashboard, which has to do with that of the point of sale and financial, it allows for simple access to a wealth of accounting capabilities, which improves the efficiency and flow of processes for both inventory and accounting. Time to time, people fail to understand what we mean when we are referring to the word efficiency. Efficiency is different from effectiveness. By effectiveness, we are referring to the relationship between inputs and outputs. And input has to do with data entry, where you enter data and you're expecting the final results, which definitely we have to look into an accounting process. The end point of an accounting process is reporting. But here we are not talking about effectiveness. We are referring and saying that this software improves the efficiency and flow of processes. By efficiency here, we are referring to the relationship between outputs and output. It does the job for you, giving you the best outcome, making it easier for you, just by giving you a snapshot of key information about your business and know what to do as per taking decisions in the right format. Scalability, widespread use by accountants, a strong community of resources, connectivity with other third-party apps, and the one-time fee that's for the permanent license, which has to be the desktop edition or monthly fees for the cloud-based edition, are some of the reasons why people choose QuickBooks. So do your comparisons. So let's look at some of the things that are very, very important to consider. So you can use QuickBooks for the following. You can use it to classify income and expenses into tax categories. You can keep track of your spending and reduce your tax obligations. With QuickBooks, you can be able to provide remote accountant access to your accounts. It could be your auditor by connecting and automatically also importing bank transactions. You can produce and deliver personalized, professional, or expert invoices within invoicing. You can accept debit cards and bank transfers. You can track the status of your bills. You can create payment reminders. You can automatically match payments to invoices. You can create and exhibit various kinds of financial statements, including statement of financial position, which is really important when you're trying to ascertain the financial position of business, and also that of the P&L, profit and loss, which is important for ascertaining financial performance of the business. Utilizing QuickBooks dashboard will also help you to track cash flow and also prepare the necessary reports on it. It will enable you to make and send personalized estimates and also transform quotes into invoices, making it easier for you to be able to monitor sales as well as sales tax and how to pay to your respective tax authority. Now, what are the different QuickBooks versions that we have? Because this application comes in different versions. Now, the provider of this application is called Intuit. And so far, Intuit has improved its software over the years. And most times, a lot of persons do not know. They thought it's just one version. No, there are a lot of versions. Intuit has improved its software over the years and has produced several versions which has more specific capabilities and reports according to the needs of the business. I will make a mention of them. We have the QuickBooks Pro. Now, for the QuickBooks Pro, it is a reasonably priced accounting program with tools that helps you with managing routine accounting activities, which includes payroll. When you want to do your payroll calculation or payroll schedule, it's perfect for you to go with the QuickBooks Pro. The accounts payable and financial reporting. We also have the QuickBooks Premier, which is an upgrade from the QuickBooks Pro. The QuickBooks Premier here offers those fundamental features along with more extra powerful capabilities. Check it out. You can use the Google to check it out. We have the QuickBooks Enterprise, and this happens to be the most potent program in the QuickBooks library. Enterprise has all the tools you need to run your company from beginning to end. And that is a very good one. It's a very good one. All the tools you need. I can switch over to show you that of the Enterprise. To say, okay, let me share the very screen quickly with you. Some minutes, please. So you can see right here is the Enterprise. So it has all tools that you can use to run your business, manage your business from beginning to end. Where I am is known as the chart of accounts, which is the backbone of an accounting software. Here you can scroll down to accounts to prepare necessary accounts based on the accounts category, which is very, very important for your business type or the account you want to maintain. So there are a lot of tools, where you can do that here on the Enterprise. And talking about the reporting, which is the end process, more reason why I say that an accounting software is based on two portions: data entry and reporting. You can see a lot of reports. For example, here on the Enterprise, you can see the company and financial reports here, which contains a list of lot of reports: POL, statement financial position, employee and payroll, different reports. Payroll, when you prepare your payroll, the accountant and tax section, we have the general ledger, we have the trial balance, and a lot of them. We also have the journal entry section where you can also do your postings. It is very, very important based on the credits and double entry principle, which has to do where you credit the giver and you debit the receiver. So the account will be balanced. So this is just what the Enterprise entails. Check it out, and you can see right here we have the general ledger here showing our ledger balances. And I also talked about that of the where you can do your postings and reconcile. You can set closing dates as in terms of monthly transactions to move to the new month. And you can work with trial balance, reconcile, and make your general entries right here. So this is just for the QuickBooks Enterprise. Next, let me go back and see right here on the general journal screen. We have the debit, the credit, the memo, following the accounting principles. So going back, that's for the QuickBooks Enterprise. We also have the QuickBooks Self-Employed. We also have the QuickBooks Self-Employed. So technically, this is used by independent contractors or clients who don't those clients, type of clients that do not require sophisticated accounting or financial management tools. Majorly they use this for a more focused purpose, be tax focused, with basic accounting features. We have the QuickBooks accountants. Now, this version was created especially for accountants, and it consists of a dashboard, interface, and accountant's toolkit, in addition to the same features and advantages as the Premium, which I mentioned earlier. That I said the Premium was upgrade from the Pro previously. That's not all. We also have aside the QuickBooks accountant, we have the QuickBooks online. And in exactly the same way, just as the name sounds, QuickBooks online. Definitely, when we say something is online, it means it's on cloud, it's hosted on cloud, and accessible through the internet on any device and anywhere. Same way, the QuickBooks online is a browser-based version of QuickBooks software that is packed with tons of tools to help business owners process their information more quickly. So when we say an application is online, it means that it's now accessible through the internet. And that's no reason I will later on go back to some of them, to 3 things you have to consider when you want to choose. I have not made mention of that yet. So this is for the different versions that we have. So before I move to that of Sage, let me go back to the 3 things that are very, very important to be considered. So here are 3 things you must consider before choosing accounting and software. First, I call this free trial. Now, first and foremost, go for an accounting software that offers a free trial. Give such software your top priority. I will tell you why. The reason is because it will enable you to test it out before making a decision on purchasing it. Before deciding whether it is suitable for your organization, it's important that you conduct a few test transactions so you can be able to investigate its capabilities. Is it capable of carrying out the function you want? It also, this is the point where you also get to know if it's reliable in terms of the reporting and if it's easy to use, if it's not that complex. So that's why I titled this free trial. Very, very important. You also need to choose a system that can grow with your company. This is where a lot of businesses get it wrong. It's a common mistake made by firms, which is choosing an accounting program that is only based on its capacity to suit their current needs. But they forgot that businesses will expand. So, but as the firm expands, owners frequently discover that the accounting program is inadequate to meet their objectives, necessitating a switch to a different program, because switching to new software can be time and money consuming. So therefore, at that very instance, choose a system that can grow with your company when you want to upgrade it, you want to expand. And the third point, when you're choosing an accounting software, the pricing matters. The software should be affordable and include all the accounting functions your company needs. Some accounting software has add-on requirements. For example, Zoho Books. When you open the Zoho Books accounting software, you'll notice that some functions are not there, though they are also structured in packages, just like the QuickBooks that I mentioned in different versions. Zoho also has the standard and other version, professional version. But what I'm saying is that You need to look into it to know the price. It's not a software that later on you get to see to add to be able to use inventory. You have to pay social fee. And most times you will be like you did not get to see this or to get to know about this earlier on. So it's very important that you take note of the pricing aspect so you don't get to pay extra charge for upkeep or to be charged separately for upgrades and support that you did not budget for from the very beginning. So this is very, very important. So quickly, let's round up with Sage. Remember, we are exploring QuickBooks as a Sage. For Sage, Sage is a wide range of accounting tax, and tax system. And here in Sage, a wide range of accounting tax are facilitated, organized, and made simple. It is an excellent tool for managing businesses, collecting records, and producing financial reports with the acquisition of Peachtree accounting software. A lot of us know of that of Peachtree. It's been acquired by Sage, and with the acquisition, Sage has established itself as the industry standard for accounting, enabling accountants and bookkeepers to complete their tasks more quickly and accurately. That's for Sage. What can you do with Sage? So you can compare this with what I said you can do with QuickBooks. On Sage, you can create extracts or professional invoices and send them as mails to your customers, people you do business with, and so on, or your management. You can follow up with consumers regarding past due bills. You can also keep track of payments you are owed, depending on the nature of your business or business policy. You can take payments, bank deposits, money orders, and bank transfers. You can link your bank to report transactions automatically. That's what I mean by sign. You can track earnings, that's for incomes and also expenses. You can create suppliers and customers and all as many as people you do business with can create their accounts. You can establish recurring statements, which recurs. There's a difference between recurring statements and memorized statements. I won't comment on that now. Then we also have the online version, which give your accountant or auditor access to your accounts, maybe based on invitation. Maybe you want them to come and review, and you'll be able to grant such access. You can create a variety of financial reports for your business, looking at some of the key aspects that has to do or look into the going concern, long running of your business. Here we can be looking at the aspect of the financial performance. Here we look at profit or loss, and that of statement of financial position, which is important when ascertaining the financial position of the business. And also cash flow, which is important to the health of the business. Also, you need to see both the cash inflow and outflow. This is important to the business. So Sage helps you to get a variety of all these reports. And you'll be able to export your reports, your invoices, your different lists of accounts, both for inventory lists and so many, either to your PDF format, Excel format, and other formats. Same way QuickBooks is made up of different versions, Sage is also made up of different versions. Let's explore some of these versions. We have the Sage Pro. The Sage Pro is a straightforward accounting program that handles billing, receipts, cost, and payments. We have the Sage Premium. It is more sophisticated and pro, while still being intended for small businesses. In addition, Premium offers work costing, audit trail, sophisticated budgeting, serialized inventory, and other features. We have Sage 50 Quantum. It's an upgrade from Premium, and it offers faster processing, more sophisticated security, and capabilities tailored to the manufacturing, distribution, and construction industry. We have Sage 100. It is a more advanced version of Sage 50. And one thing about Sage 100 is that it's suited for medium-sized organizations. Greater industry-specific features for the service distribution, and also industrial sectors. We have Sage X-ray. It is majorly used for supply chain, production, and enterprise financial management. It is designed for complicated needs in a variety of industries, which could include the food and beverage industry, the chemical industry, the process manufacturing industry, the discrete manufacturing industry, and more. We have Sage 300. It's a mid-sized business solution with flexibility for many languages and currencies. Sage 300 is appropriate for organizations in the manufacturing, distribution, and retail sectors. And there is also a different one, which is Sage 300 for construction and real estate. This one offers more of a project, for such type of business like construction, where we have to, can maintain the aspect of job costing, and real estate, we has to do with more of a project management. So, Sage 300 construction and real estate version is very necessary here. It's important for service-based business and accounting functionality. And it is equipped with strong functionality for medium-sized to large construction firms. We have Sage 500 ERP, and it's formerly MES 500. So it is a powerful enterprise resource planning solution that was created to help forward-thinking mid-sized enterprises manage business data, also to be able to streamline operations and boost productivity. Lastly, or for the last, we also have that of Sage Intacct. For Sage Intacct, the software system is appropriate for small to mid-sized accounting organizations, and they offer financial reporting, operational insights, and use Sage Intacct and the capacity to automate crucial financial procedures. It's good to mention that any accounting department or finance team can use Sage Intacct to access a wide range of essential accounting tools, including the general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, and other management. It also includes capabilities for built-in dashboards, where we look into the aspect of real-time reporting, time and expense management, project accounting, revenue management, and worldwide consolidations from numerous companies. So these are very important, so as that of the Sage Business Cloud Accounting, which has to do with the line of Sage 100. So all these are very, very important. So I believe this guide will enable you get necessary understanding that is required, most especially as far as computerized accounting is concerned. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment where necessary. And in conclusion, let me summarize by saying that accounting software should assist you with various activities like postings, processing periodic invoices and payment reminders, recording of transactions. Accounting software should give you more time to concentrate on the overall goal achieving picture for your company or your organization. And this is more reason I keep saying that priority should be given to an accounting software program that provides capabilities that save you time and minimize manual intervention, which is no longer advisable to adults. Thank you once again for the time. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This very class is being recorded and it will be uploaded on our YouTube channel. For reference purposes, visit our YouTube channel, get this video, watch, subscribe, share. And if you're having any question or you need assistance based on setup or training, you can call our office line here 090 6840 8000. Thank you once again, I'm Williams. See you next time. Thank you.